moment you stepped out of the car on the first night we met, I knew you were the one. You were just radiating with energy, excitement, and beauty. I can't express enough how thankful and blessed I am that God inserted you into my life, and I truly believe you complete me in every way.
The love and biblical support, the faith you have in me, and your kind heart and your love for others continue to prove to me daily how lucky I am that God chose you as my perfect man.
You've been a great best friend, man. It's been awesome going through life with you. I'm looking forward to seeing where God leads both of y'all together on this journey. Y'all seem like y'all have got everything going great.
I promise to love you to the best of my ability 100% every day, and to always support you in whatever you do and whatever dreams you chase after. I will follow you.
I watched their love grow. I watched her confidence in herself grow. I watched her faith grow leaps and bounds. I heard about so many beautiful moments and some hard conversations. I watched as God shaped every single aspect of their lives, and all the little things come together, bringing us to this day.
I promise to do the same for you. I promise to support you. I promise to listen. I promise to be faithful. And once again, I promise to love you.
I, Connor,
I, Connor,
take you, Megan,
take you, Megan,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I, Megan,
I, Megan,
take you, Connor,
take you, Connor,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband. Today is all about us, our love, devotion, and union together through Christ. And I'm so lucky to be loved by you for the rest of my life and to be able to experience your love.
I want to continue to make great memories with you. You are the love of my life, and I'm honored to finally be able to call you my wife. Let's go get married, baby.
Marriage is more than a wedding service. Relationships need work over time. It's been said that marriage is 50-50, but it really takes two people giving 100% to each other for the marriage to work. Now, Connor, the moment you've been waiting for, you may kiss your bride. Mr. and Mrs. Connor and Megan Williamson.
Connor, you came in at a great time for Megan. You are definitely the calmness to her anxiety, and I think it's such a great match. They're just so proud to have you as part of our family, and we're proud to be part of the Williamson family as well.
We're all so lucky to be a part of this story that God has been so clearly a part of since day one. Cheers to the Williamsons. Woo!